Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how to add a note to an order you received on your Wix site. Here's how. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales and then go to Orders. Now look for the order you want to add a note to and then click on it. Here, scroll down until you reach the Order Activity section. And on this field is where you can enter your note. So go ahead and input your note. Review your note, and once it's all good, click on the check button. And your note should be added here on your activity. And if you ever need to edit or delete it in the future, you'll have the options below it. Edit and delete. And that's it. We hope you found this video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.